Gold, we start with the daily chart. Okay, based on daily chart, as you can see, still we are within this correction. And what we explained in my last video, we are more interested in the down move. That means we want to see whether we can get the sell from this correction, and what we want the price at least drop to this low. But there is no much changes. In this case, we move to lower time frame forward chart. Okay, as we can see, based on forward chart, we get this move. All right, and what we explained that we want to sell, but at least we want the price to come to this high. Then from there, any sell we get, we take it. Okay, and now the question is, I mean, the price is still is within this move. Now the question is whether we need to wait the price and come to take this high before we take the down move, or there is a possibility from here the price can drop. Okay, now the thing is which one we need to look for. The best thing is if the price come, get any sell from there is better for us. This is what we are looking for. But if the price drop from here, how we can trade it? Okay, in this case we move to lower time frame. And again, if you refer back to my last video analysis, when the price was here, we mentioned that if you want to look for buy, the only way is having entry above this. Okay, and if I put my line there, okay, anyone wants this trade, anyone takes this trade, is still they should be, I mean, the positive, and now they should take out the trade. Okay, because this one is not moving fast, or at least move their stop loss to break even. I don't think it's a good idea, because it's better to take out the trade, because easily it can tag and reverse. Okay, it depends on the traders. Anyway, I remove this one. Anyway, based on my last video, the only way we could trade having entry above this, and what I explained, what we want the price to sharp and move very fast. And when we see the price is moving this is slow, that means we should take out the trade. If anyone is still there in the trade, they start to manage it. Okay, why? Because from here or higher, there is a possibility the price can drop. Okay, I know if the price drop, whether for the bigger correction or this is the start of the down move. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it, because as I explained based on forward chart, okay, we mentioned we are looking for sell. The only thing is whether we get the sell from here, or at least the price come and take this high before we get the sell. Okay, what we are more interested, to look for sell when the price at least break this high. Okay, this is what we are more interested. But how about if the price drop from here? How we can trade it? Okay, if the price drop from here, if I put my line here, if the price drop from here sharply and break this trend line, we are not going to sell. The only way we can sell, let the price drop, give a flag, then from there we can sell. Again, if the price drop from here, if we want to sell, at least we need a sharp move, a small correction or flag before we take the sell. That means we need to have a sell setup before we take the sell. If we see the price drop sharply and continue, we are not going to sell it. Okay, and this is the one of the option for the sell. If the price drop from here, the another option is let the price move a bit higher. Then if we get any sell setup from the top, we sell it. This is what we are more interested if we get it. Okay, this is about the sell. Do we need to look for buy as well? Okay, is there a possibility that we get the buy setup? I mean, the price can come to this and we look for buy within this range. Okay, if we want to look for buy, yeah, there is a possibility. What we have here, I mean, there is a possibility we get whether from here or higher. If we get one move down similar what we have here, then we can have this correction running flat. In compared to this, then from there we can look for buy. That means if we get any correction here or higher, similar to what we have here, then any buy setup we can take it. And when the price comes to this high, we start to manage it. Okay, this is how we can buy. But right now we don't have any buy setup. If the price continues similar to what we have here, I don't think we can get the buy. The only thing is we need to get at least one drop similar to what we have here or bigger before we take the buy. Okay, anyway, we don't have buy setup as well. The only things, if we get the correction similar to what I explained, then from there we can look for buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup whether for buy or sell. We will see how high this one can go. Then from there we can make a decision where we can sell it, because we are more interested in the sell within this correction. Okay, is there a possibility the price the price drop from here? Also explain, if the price drop sharply, we are not going to sell it. We need to get the sell set up. Anyway, we just follow the chart and see. We don't have any trade set up right now. We see how, if I see any changes or update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.